Hey guys, it's Dan from Barbecue Kansas City, Chops Power Injectors. Let's touch base on this again. This is the pump for the Chops Power Injector. Okay? It's pretty simple. Should sound like this. You can hear it hiss. It's air coming out of the bottom. Okay? Blue seal. Make sure that this is in good shape. Okay, if you need a new one, you can get a hold of me or you can go to the local hardware store and find one. You'll want to lube this every once in a while. You know, maybe once a month. Depends on how much you use it. If you're using it all contest season, you might want to do it once a week. Okay, you can get some O-ring lube. Put it on with your thumb right here so it doesn't get in your injection. Okay, make sure that feels good, smooth. Okay, it doesn't have to be blue. It can be black, it can be red, it can be green, I don't care. Okay, now what the problem is people don't lube their pumps enough. What I do is right in here, okay, I'll take a couple drops of mineral oil, like maybe 5 drops, or you could pour it in there, it doesn't matter. You can get it at Walmart, mineral oil. It's in the laxative section. So with that being said, put it in there, move the pump around a little bit, work it out, okay? You want to get all the excess out so it's not getting in your injection, okay? Set it up right, let it drain to the bottom, work it back out, okay? Not a big deal, okay? Next part. If you cleaned it really, really good before you put it away, lots of bleach and lots of soapy water, some degreaser because you used butter or whatever, okay? And you move that thing up and it goes, and you go to push it down and it just drops, okay? Window 1, window 2, or window 1, window 2. Push the screwdriver in there, okay? You're going to lift up at the same time you're pushing in, okay? Then you'll pull out. Oh, look at that, okay? This is the part that seals that locks it in place. I'm not going to worry about that. What we're going to worry about is this little piece of rubber here. What happens, okay, it's even hard to make it happen on purpose here. You pull that off. What happens is this thing will come off, either all the way or partially. So when you have this in there like that, okay, we'll put this back together real quick. This is what it sounds like. I get a phone call. It says, hey, my pump doesn't work. Okay? Well, I haven't had one break yet. Other than one guy that cleaned it really good, put it away, locked it down really tight inside the bottle, and he actually broke the handle, the handle part down here, broke it all, took it apart because he didn't lube the O-ring. So we'll take it apart again here. Okay, it's back apart. Now the other thing you'll see is this little piece of rubber here will end up way down deep in there. Okay, that usually is solved by either taking a coat hanger, going down there, fishing it out, putting it back on there, putting some mineral oil in here and on that, or by hitting it on the table until that piece of rubber comes out. You pick it up, put it back on the injector. Now you make sure that this ribbed side here, okay, it looks different from this side. This side's smooth. This side's ribbed. Okay. That side needs to point down inside to make your proper seal. This one's nice and oiled up already. You can see how shiny it is. So we'll put it back in here. Make sure it moves a little bit on there. Okay. That looks really good. Okay. Now we're getting ready to put that back together. This little tab here, actually the seam, which this one doesn't come apart like some of them I've seen. This is more or less a hinge point. Inside here, you'll see this little groove here. That's where that goes. So you put this down in there. Okay, I just push it down with this, so we don't have to jack around with trying to get it lined up. Okay, and then work it out. Work out all the excess oil. Okay, then remember we lock it on by going counterclockwise. Locks it on. Make sure that seal's lubed up really good. Screw it back in and go inject like crazy. Thanks.